Welcome back, guys. I will now build JavaScript, another incredible journey of learning JavaScript together. Okay, in this session, we learn together what does it mean arrow function in JavaScript. Okay, let's start together. Okay, on the previous lesson, we learned the arrows function. Okay, now I'm always focusing to make some commands there. I'm writing arrow function. Okay, cut and paste arrow function there. Okay, our function is same as the arrange function, but we have some modification. Okay, then we can use the equal there, and we can use the arrow there. Okay, good job. It is the syntax of our function. It's executed successfully. Good job. Also, we can remove the curly brackets if we have one statement, which is the console log. Okay, good job. It's so simple. Okay. For now, if you want, we can test our thing. Okay, if we have, for example, more than one statement, we should use the curly brackets. Okay, let's make some comments to clarify. Okay, I'm using always comments for more clarification. First of all, if we have one statement, so without using curly brackets, it works correctly without an error. Okay, secondly, okay, if we have more than one statement, we should use curly brackets. By the way, we can call it curly brackets or curly braces. Okay, good job. Now we are removing the console. Okay, let's declare a result. Let result equal to parameter 1 plus parameter 2, like so. Save. Then we should return this result. Okay, good job. Return result to avoid this error. Good job. Okay, congratulations. It's so simple. Okay, for now, if you want, we can log the sum if you want. Okay, I will see. Okay, let's make console log outside. Okay, console log sum 20 as a string and 30 as a string. Let's save and see. Okay, it's executed and shared successfully. Good job. We see there are 20, 30 because there are two strings. We can't concatenate as numbers because they are two string. Hope that you love this video.